how to find layout and menu settings on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find layout and menu settings on Samsung Internet Browser. First then open Samsung Internet Browser and then click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click settings and then click layout and menu, and here you will find it. Here you can manage anything you want and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.